for supporting today's event.
Can we all sing it खुद से? Works?
Down from 33%, you will have the shift in the atmosphere happening. Okay? Just look at the 2018 chart. You have 31% in grazing, 1% in fresh water. अच्छा आप बोलेंगे जंगल कट रहे हैं, वो तो कटेंगे. Mankind is progressing. We have to make infrastructure. We have to grow our cities. We have to make roads, bridges. We have to do mining. इसलिए जंगल कट रहे हैं. No, this is a very shocking statistics which when I also came to know I was really startled with it. Whatever we are doing, whatever in terms of urbanization we are doing is only 1% over there of the full surface of the earth. Just the land mass. I'm not talking about the water. आप अगर land mass को 100 बोलते हैं, then all the urbanization, जितना आपका highways बन रहे हैं, जितना आपका roads बन रहा है, जितना आपका factories फैल रहा है, all that totals up to have only 1%. But जंगल तब भी कट रहे हैं. We are cutting forests. Forests are the only thing which are keeping the temperature in control.
So this is a story which my mother narrated when I asked her about certain things about my name. So it all started. What's wrong? It all started 5th July 1979, 8:02 a.m. Kolkata when I popped out of my mother's womb. I was DOA, dead on arrival. कोई movement नहीं था, कुछ नहीं था. So they cut my umbilical cord, took me to a darker corner, 2-3 थपकी मारा and I started crying. That's what happened. And they brought me back to my mom. I stopped crying. So it was like, ये क्या हो रहा है? 2-3 बार ऐसा हुआ and my mom said, यार कहाँ ये वीडियो पैदा कर दिया? But the first thing I saw was the light, yeah, and that's where I stopped crying, and that's what my mom noticed, and that's how my name Tejas was kept, which means bright light, yeah. It was not the end, but the beginning. Like everyone else, I also wanted to be a famous personality, but here I go, my surname Doshi, which means guilty, wicked, criminal, corrupt, which I'm not. So when my father was alive, I always used to taunt him, कि यार दोषी क्यों? Why not Joshi? Joshi का जोश है. Lord Vishnu, light bringer, reflect like a sun. It's something which I resonate with, yeah. He was super smart and intelligent. He said, यार, we are Kshatriyas and true warriors never give up. So take it as a challenge. And in those days, when I was 10, I used to play a lot of cricket. So I was good at it. So he said, why don't you become like a famous cricketer, Dilip Doshi? I said, okay. Cricket khela, went to a certain level, broke my rib, and my Guju mom said, "Ghare besi jaave," which means sit at home. So that's what happened. Fast forwarding by a few years, when I completed my lighting, masters in lighting, and came back to India. 22 years ago, abhi koi lighting design nahi samajh raha hai. Imagine what was my struggle. So again, I should taunt my dad. Dad, यार सरनेम में ही कुछ है, दोष अपने सरनेम में ही है, कुछ हो ही नहीं रहा है. So he said, यार नहीं है. So he found out famous architect B.B. Doshi. I said, boss, do you know him? He said, he's a legend, yaar. He said, no, why don't you become like him? I said, ठीक है, चलो कोई बात नहीं. So I took it as a challenge, क्योंकि बाप तो change नहीं कर सकता था. So I had no choice but to take up as a challenge. So that's how I.
Supported by partner and landscape principal.
Namaskar. I request one thing, I know it's 9 o'clock, but you started late, so it's okay. And when I entered, I was really doubting that किसने organize किया है. How can we allow, or how can I be allowed when my better half is here? Normally बोलती बंद हो जाती है, फिर आप बुलाते हैं. It's a really courageous for me to speak like this on a Saturday evening. So first I would request, I think all of you can just make yourself comfortable, all you guys. Ajay, बैठ जाओ. Coming from the manufacturing or the contracting agencies, how many from there? And how many from architecture firms? Right. So it's good to see the diameter of dia increasing, and I wish that, first of all, congratulations to all of you. You guys made it, and I think Aerosol Dia Connect 1 is the first event here. So thank you.
Awesome listening to all three of you. Such valuable and insightful thoughts. Eye-opener truly for each one of us present here. I would really like to thank each one of you to share your insights with us. Thank you so much. It was really valuable for us. So as we thanks to our esteemed speakers once again for sharing their incomparable expertise and insights. Your contributions have truly inspired and enlightened us. To our president and the organizing committee, the sponsors, the enthusiast guests, and everyone who have worked behind the scenes, Ritushmita and the PR team, Sumit and the event team.
ग्लोबल वार्मिंग का इफ़ेक्ट के कारण हम जागरूक हुए हैं. इट इज़ द इमिनेंट नीड. ये हमारा इमिनेंट नीड है. अगर हम ही नहीं रहेंगे तो फिर आगे क्या रहेगा. तो ये तो इट इज़ नथिंग टू डू विथ चॉइस. इसमें देयर इज़ नो चॉइस. टुडे एक अर्थ को लगभग 2 अर्थ की ज़रूरत है रिवाइव कराने के लिए. इस मोड़ पे हम लोग खड़े हैं. लास्ट 200 साल में जो हम लोग नुकसान किए हैं वो लास्ट 20,000 साल में नहीं हुआ. इफ दिस इज द क्रूशियलिटी, वी हैव टू नाउ गेट अप एंड गेट टू वेरी सीरियस एक्शन. देयर इज नो वे बैक. एंड सेंसिबल बिल्डिंग, सेंसिबल डिजाइनिंग. ज़रूरत पड़े कम बनाओ, ज़्यादा बनाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. कम बनाओ और ग्रीन बनाओ. थैंक यू. यही तो उनको दिखाया. जो पॉन्ड फिलिंग करते हैं वो ये करते हैं कि भाई हमारे को बिल्डिंग बनानी है, FAR अचीव करना है. हम आपको दिखा दे रहे हैं कि लगभग 50% पानी होने के बावजूद भी आप 100% FAR और 100% पार्किंग दे करके भी आप कर सकते हो. ये सॉल्यूशन सामने रखा हुआ है. यही है हमारा सोर्स ऑफ इंस्पिरेशन, इंस्पायर करने के लिए. Today the project which stands in approximately 50% of water body, full FAR consumption is a solution. That means डिज़ाइनर में ना डिज़ाइन ही सोल्यूशन निकाल सकता है, कोई अलग से नहीं आता है. सो क्यों फील करता है वो कारण समझे. FAR कंज्यूम करना है इसीलिए उसको कंज्यूम. द आइडिया इज दैट ही कैन कंज्यूम फुल FAR, ही कैन मेक वंडरफुल बिल्डिंग, ही कैन कीप नेचर, keep the synchronicity of a city, अगर सिटी में पानी का रिजर्वर नहीं रहेगा तो हम वाटर रिचार्ज कैसे करेंगे, हम बायोडाइवर्सिटी रिजर्व करेंगे, और प्लस वो यूएसपी बन सकता है। इसी को साबित करने के लिए वो जीवा वाला प्रोजेक्ट किया गया था।